Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Skinfix Brighten and Firm 15% Vitamin C Serum. This product retails for $69. Very excited to see what an antioxidant treatment looks like from Skinfix. It makes some of my favorite treatments on the market. Their Acne Plus treatment is an amazing, more gentle adaptoid treatment. What I love is that they always combine a great complex in all of their formulas, making it a little bit more worth that steep price point. The ingredients they chose to include in here, from what I've seen in other formulas, are also not cheap to formulate with, from what I could see. The THD Ascorbate is an oil-soluble, gentle vitamin C derivative that has proven to show great benefits, and in some formulas that I have used in the past with this technology, I've noticed great antioxidant and skin protecting benefits with it. Not necessarily something that you see in a more short time period, but with more extended use, I've definitely noticed a brightening longevity effect with antioxidant treatments and with how my skin feels as well. So I'm not necessarily going to be looking for long-term benefits with this, but there are a few things I'm going to be looking for during this review. If I'm able to continue using it, then I will keep you posted through short form content. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They utilize 15% THD ascorbate, 2% tetrapeptide complex, a 2% PGA peptide solution, a 1% antioxidant blend, and 5% glycerin. To check out the full complex of all of these blends and formulations in this, make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website. Also left the full ingredients left in the description as well. Big things we're going to be looking for include, how does it feel for my skin? Sometimes with antioxidant serums and brightening serums, I can experience some acne from them, so I will just be curious to see if I do experience that. Also, what other benefits besides just antioxidants do I see with this? Because it looks to have a moisturizing and soothing complex attached to it as well. And also, what finish does it leave on the skin and how does it feel? As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this product. Cannot wait to see what a vitamin C formula from Skinfix looks like, and it reminds me a lot of their adaptoid treatment because it comes in very similar packaging, just a brighter yellow-orange color than the other one. That formula was very moisturizing, but still in a nice gel. I haven't seen anything about this product except for the price point and how expensive it is. But the good thing about Skinfix is they always back it up with science-backed formulas. And with the stabilized vitamin C in this, along with the brightening ingredients, it could be a potential promising product. Right there you see it has a very milky texture. It's a little bit heavier to the skin. Has a little bit of bounce. Feels really moisturizing. I don't know that this is going to be an oily skin product because it's looking very moisturizing. This feels like it could be a moisturizer for me, honestly. Honestly, that would justify the price point a little bit more if you did use it as a moisturizer. There's not really many rules with products like this. It doesn't have a terrible smell either. Not the best, but comparatively with other vitamin C's, I mean, typically ferulic acid is the ingredient that causes such bad smell. It has like remnants of a vitamin C smell. It's definitely not the best, but vitamin C is not the best smelling ingredient. I'm really excited by the blend of antioxidants they have in here, and it's feeling really nice and moisturizing going on the face. Definitely lighter on the face than it was in the spot test, but it is still a little bit heavier for a vitamin C serum. Very reminiscent, if you felt the Paula's Choice vitamin C, it feels like that. It feels nice. I do have to say, as someone who's been a lot more dry recently, this feels like a dream vitamin C serum. Great antioxidant product, but here's the thing. I use vitamin C a lot in the summer just because I'm spending a lot more time outside. This is definitely not going to be a summer product for me. It's definitely more of a winter style product because of the thicker, richer, moisturizing texture that I feel like would be most designed for drier combination skin, at least off of first impression. It does leave a little bit of a heavier finish on the face. Definitely more of a rich style product. I'm going to continue using it. I'm going to use it both day and night, see if that's how I feel like I can use it. No sensitivity, no irritation, and no dryness from this formula. Complete opposite of dryness. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. First, I want to say this is a really gentle, moisturizing, vitamin C derivative antioxidant treatment. Antioxidant treatments are one of these products that you're not going to see many results with. It's more just something that you see more long-term benefit with skin radiance and also the protection against free radicals to your skin, which I feel like this is very effective at that. I only used it for a few weeks, so I didn't see any long-term benefits with it. I am happy to say that I will be continuing to use this formula until I finish it. As for repurchasing and for my personal skin concerns, this product was really hurt by the release of remedies for daily defense, in my opinion. There is still a good purpose for both products, and I'm going to go more in detail about why I like that product over this. First being the price point. Not to say that Skinfix didn't put the necessary ingredients in here to make it an effective formula. Also have the technology and ingredients to back it up, because it definitely does. This is a wonderful, gentle, moisturizing vitamin C derivative serum that I feel like would be designed for people who have experienced sensitivity to some other vitamin C's in the past. Encapsulated in a really moisturizing formula that also has some peptides in here that can be skin strengthening, skin barrier supporting, and a great blended serum that I feel like may be more targeted for the people who are looking for an antioxidant treatment on top of an anti-aging treatment at that. More mature skin may benefit from this. I can't testify, that is just solely coming from my perspective on the ingredients and the feel of this product. As someone who could benefit from an added soothing benefit from an antioxidant serum, remedies for daily defense is the perfect option for me. One reason that you may go for this product rather than the remedy is if you've had a sensitivity to the 3,0-ethyl ascorbic acid that the remedy uses. I personally have had a good experience with that vitamin C derivative, and it's shown great brightening benefits over time. But with skincare being such a personalized experience, I'm glad this adds another option that utilizes a completely separate derivative, so that way you can see if you see better benefits with this derivative. With my previous experience and with what I've seen with it, it's on par with what I've seen in terms of antioxidant benefits. That's more over a long-term extended use. The remedy has a soothing blend that I feel like this product doesn't have, that more targets a lot more skin concerns that specifically speak to my skin. I said it in the remedy review, but that product more encapsulates a barrier strengthening, skin soothing, and nourishing treatment with an added bonus of antioxidants in it, which I personally feel like best suits my skin concerns. Remedies is also a more affordable, budget-friendly option. If you're not picky with the derivative that you're using, I have personally found great benefits with both derivatives in different formulas, so I'm not picky with it. I am personally going to stick to reinvesting in the remedy for daily defense. These were both released around the same time, and I feel like it really made me overlook this product with how promising and amazing the remedy worked for my skin. That's just personal bias, also upfront price point. I know that there's a lot of times Skinfix is worth it in terms of their price point, and this still is that in my opinion, just for a certain group of people, either has sensitivity to other vitamin C derivatives or you're looking for a more anti-aging complex. Both were very gentle, both were very soothing. Remedies just had a better price point and had a better blend of ingredients that worked for my skin. Not that this didn't. That price point is just what's really making me not like this formula as well. It's justified in its own way, but when I know of a formula that does work better for my skin for a better price point, I always let you know where I would put my money. Personally, at the moment, I would reinvest it in the remedy. I am though luckily able to use this formula. I didn't experience any sensitivity, anything weird with my skin, so I feel like it is something I can continue to use and keep you posted on to see if it would work continuously for my skin and if it's better through more extended use. At the moment, I'm just going to be going for the remedy. I would personally recommend at least checking out that formula, maybe feeling it for yourself before trying this formula. Still wouldn't rule this product out. It's a great formulation, but I always feel like it's great to have a more budget-friendly option if that is available. Obviously different technologies, but I think the premise still highlights the same fact. So that is why I am personally going to be going for the remedy. Also just worked amazing for my skin. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next video.